Hi guys, my name is Patricija Stalidzane and I'm a professional race car driver. I want to give you some tips on how to get started with setups on iRacing. It can be quite the hard topic for someone who's new to it and hasn't had much experience for it. I would really recommend using templates for that. There is platforms for it like VRS or SimGrid. They are also partners of the Cup. But you can also check out the websites and Discord channels of the teams and the drivers. They often offer them for free and sometimes for a little money. For this cup, for the NGK NTK Esports Cup, there's fixed setups, so you don't have to worry about this topic there, but there's a lot of championships where it's open and you have to figure out your own setups for the car. You will get a feeling for it over time to know which click does what to the car setup, but there's also a lot of YouTube videos and websites that explain it. Go check those out to have some support on getting a better feeling for it. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Don't get frustrated on this setup topic. It takes years and years to really fully understand it and get the experience for it in real racing and also on the simulator. So have patience, and I hope to see you guys at the NGK NTK Esports Cup livestream.